That's all right. If you just had a bucket for the bolts and nuts here. I'll just set them here for now on the toolbox.
That baby out. Was that piece I got long enough? No.
I can't tell from this side. I'll pull it out and let you know. Yeah, we can just grab something. I suppose all the weight's gonna hang on that now. Wonder if I should try to get that middle one out here first.
Yeah. I can get a bar.
You got another 9/16 that'd be helpful. Yeah. Well, I got on it here with this small breaker bar I got on it. Or even if you have a small ratchet, some sort of thing. Maybe it'll go now.
Okay. And I think,
Oof.
let me think now, do you come all the way up with it, or do you go all the way down with it? It might come out of there. We'll try it. Backwards or on that same thing.
I can just. Maybe an extra set of hands here.
Oh yeah. Oh man, you almost got out of there. Oh
yeah, it'll spin right out of here if we just go like this.
Good job, Mac. Good.
Yeah, there's the missing. A few of them. Quite a few of them right here and here.
Wow.
Yeah, this one needs some attention.
Okay. Let's see if